Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be discussing the Benqi project and ways we can make passive income within the Avalanche DeFi ecosystem. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I would truly appreciate it. All right, let's get right into it. So there's their website, benqi.fi. Let's go over here to CoinMarketCap, do a quick review. Their token price is just under a penny. It looks like their all-time token price high when they launched back in 21 was around 37 cents. They haven't been able to recover since, but this is Avalanche DeFi #2 project. Let's get into it. So what is Benqi? Well, they are a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity market. They also provide liquid staking, and we'll get into that. And as well, they have lending and borrowing, so you can lend and borrow crypto. If you're not familiar with liquid staking, we'll get into that in a second. The founding team chose the Avalanche network because of its high scalability and low fees. And I can attest there has been a lot of DeFi attempted on the Avalanche blockchain over the past year and a half or so, and a lot has failed. But there have been some successes, and we're going to discuss those today. Benqi was founded in 2021. It looks like they received $6 million from strategic investors. And here are those investors. Who are the founders of Benqi? Well, it looks like there's someone from Canada here. There's two co-founders. Rome Blockchain Labs is responsible for the development of this project. If I scroll down, what makes Benqi unique? Well, they claim to be the first DeFi lending project on the Avalanche platform. All right, let's get into it. All right, so how do we make passive income in the Avalanche DeFi ecosystem? Well, we're going to discuss a few options. So let's go over here to DeFi Llama. The current total crypto DeFi market cap is just over 50 billion. Let's go over here down to chains. Scroll down. It looks like Avalanche is number 7th with just under $1 billion in total DeFi. Let's click on Avalanche. And if I scroll down, there's Benqi, number 2. We're going to discuss GMX quickly. TraderJoe, there's passive income options there, as well as on Stargate. All right, so let's get into it. So if I go over here to Benqi, launched apps, click on liquid staking. So currently they are paying 7.20 rewards for staking your AVAX tokens. And if you're not familiar with liquid staking, once you stake your AVAX token, you receive this sAVAX, which is a separate token, which you can use on other platforms, which I'll show you in a minute. These tokens will be locked. I believe the period is around 2 weeks or 14 days. So that is 7.20 for staking your AVAX. If I jump over here to lending and borrow, it looks like you can lend your AVAX for around 4.38%. They also have other options, including USDT for 2.53%. So that is one way to make passive income with your Avalanche tokens. So once you have those sAVAX in your Web3 wallet after staking on their liquid staking platform, you're going to come over here to TraderJoe. But before we do that, let's go back into DeFi Llama. Looks like TraderJoe is number 4th with just under 100 million. So let's click on TraderJoe. You can trade, so you can swap assets here. You can bridge for different chains. There's a limited few here. But for the sake of this video, we're going to click on pools. And let's say I have my sAVAX in my wallet. We'll let the pools load. If I scroll down here, there is a liquidity pool that's currently earning 1.88%, so you can make an additional passive income. It's not a lot. It really just depends on the fees that are generated on the platform. So if I click on this, if you supply or create a liquidity pool with sAVAX and AVAX, you can earn additional rewards. So they are allowing you to continue using or being liquid with your sAVAX tokens to participate in DeFi on other protocols. Next, we're going to discuss Stargate. So this is a cool project. Let's jump back over here. If we go down, Stargate is just under 50 million. They provide cross-chain functionality or capabilities. So if I go over here and hit transfer, you'll see that I can transfer my Ethereum from my MetaMask over to the Avalanche network and start participating. They also have this METIS token, which is a layer 2. And if I go back here and click a back button to go back to the chains, if I scroll all the way down, METIS is number 35 in DeFi market cap with around 44 million. So they are a layer 2. And look at the stuff being built on top of this layer 2. So let's get into it. So MetisDAO, they are a DAO. That's their token price. And they are a layer 2. So if I jump over here and go over to farming, you can make passive income by holding the METIS token as well. So it looks like there's 9.86% staking METIS and USDT. They also have the Avalanche. It looks like you are making 6.56 by staking Avalanche and USDT. So those are a few ways to make passive income within the Avalanche DeFi ecosystem. I wanted to show you GMX. I've made a video on staking their token, and there's multiple ways to earn passive income there, so go check that video out. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to introduce anybody that's not familiar with the GMX DEX. They're a decentralized exchange. So if I scroll back up here, click on Avalanche, scroll down, they are number 3 in Avalanche DeFi. And what they are providing is derivatives. So you can trade with leverage the AVAX token. So if I go over here, you can long or short different assets up to 50 times leverage, fully decentralized. And what happens is when you make a trade through your MetaMask, you pay small amounts of fees. So those fees are paid to the stakers of the GMX tokens. So that's another way to make passive income on top of the Avalanche DeFi. All right, so I hope this video was informative. It showed you the steps to make passive income on Avalanche through their DeFi protocols. I will continue to make videos on passive income projects within the crypto space. Thanks for watching. Until next time.